If you have been import from China using Taobao, consider to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because I'm about to share with you a tips that are going to save you from problem of refund or whatsoever that has to do with payment on Taobao, step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure link on 1688 Taobao on Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see the tips I'm going to share with you as far as refund is concerned on Taobao shopping app. So I'm going to share with you, I'm going to put it on the screen of the video right here or somewhere right here, okay? So somebody contact me from my YouTube channel. Hi Rafi, I'm having a fun of your YouTube content, e-commerce, importation, and I'm really getting follow. Keep it up, brother. Thank you for that. And also, the person states further that I paid supplier 2 weeks ago on Taobao platform. Unfortunately, the supplier didn't deliver after I chatted with him, and he told me to ask for a refund because they unable to deliver the items due to stock out of the items, and I did so, but till today no any money refunded on my MasterCard. What can I do? This is the question, and I want to share the solution to everyone on this channel so you can be safe out here when you are trying to procure from Taobao. If you have something similar to this issue right here, what you need to do is that first thing I want to believe that on Taobao allow you to make payment with your MasterCard or Visa card. Whatever country you are coming from, it is always allowed to use any Visa or MasterCard for payment on Taobao. And another means of payment on Taobao is Alipay for foreigners or Chinese citizens. Okay, now in the situation whereby you use your MasterCard and Visa card to make payment for any Chinese supplier on Taobao, you need to take into consideration that before you can go ahead and make payments to any supplier using your MasterCard or Visa card, make sure the seller have the particular item in stock. All right, so for you to know if the seller have the item in store, it is your responsibility to contact the seller. So contact the seller, negotiate the price with them, and let them assure you that they have the item in store. So once they assure you that they have the item in store, then you can go ahead and place the order, and you make payment with either your MasterCard or Visa card. This is the first thing you need to do as a procurement officer on Taobao. But in a situation whereby you fail to do all these things, you did not contact the seller, you did not ask the seller if the item is actually in store before you place order, and you make payment with MasterCard, which was the mistake this person right here made. So once you place the order and the order was successful and the seller asks you to make a refund for an item because they were out of stock, your refund is going to be successful, but you will not get the refund successful into your bank card. This is because your MasterCard or your Visa card was not recognized by Chinese. Okay, the only refund that can be successful for any payee that purchase on Taobao with their MasterCard or Visa card, the only refund that can be successful is only if your card is Chinese bank card, whether Visa or MasterCard. But if your bank card is not MasterCard by Chinese or it's not Visa card by Chinese, whenever you place the refund will be successful, but trust me, your money will be hanged and it will not be delivered successful to your bank card. That is the mistake a lot of foreigners are made when they are trying to procure and ship from China using Taobao. The only way that you can be secure and protect in the situation of when you have a refund issue with supplier is when you use Alipay. If you are a foreigner, it is always advisable that you make use of Alipay. This is because by the time you make use of Alipay in payment, if you have a refund process for Alipay, you are sure of getting your refund successful, because Alipay will hold the money and they will successfully refund the money back to your Alipay account. But if you are a foreigner and you make use of MasterCard or Visa card, just like what this person did right here, the refund will be successful and the seller will approve the refund, but you will not get your money back simply because you did not make use of bank card that was recognized by Chinese. So they only recognize Alipay, and refund for Alipay is automatic, and it's very much easy and convenient for all these Chinese e-commerce platforms when you are talking of refund. But in a situation whereby you will need to make use of your bank card or Visa card to make payment or to purchase on Taobao, it is your responsibility, like I said in the beginning of this video, that you have to contact the supplier, let them know what you need, and let them assure you that the item is in stock. Then you go ahead and place the order, and you make payment with your MasterCard. With that, there won't be any issue of refund. So all in all, what I want you to denote from this message right here is that if you are a foreigner and you are trying to procure from China using Taobao, make sure you make use of Alipay to make payment in case of issue like this. Because if you make use of your MasterCard or Visa card, whatever country of your choice, the payment is going to be successful as far as Taobao is concerned. But if you have issue of refund, you will not get your money successful delivered into your bank card. This is very much important, and this is the tips I want to share with you, most especially when it comes to procurement and shipping from China using Taobao by foreigners. So you have to take note of this so that you don't lose money when you are trying to procure items from China. So this person that messaged me right here, I'm so sorry for the person because they were not informed before they go ahead on procurement and shipping. This can happen to anybody because what they say is that information in this life is very powerful. So take this message as much as important, and make sure when you are trying to procure and ship from China using Taobao, make sure you pay proper attention. Contact your supplier, make a proper arrangement between you and your supplier. Let them be sure that the item is on stock. Then you go ahead, place your order, and your order is going to be delivered successful. So this is what I have for you as far as refund tips and tricks as far as Taobao procurement and shipping from China is concerned. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big thumb up. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, you remember to click on subscribe and turn on notification bell. So each time I post content about China importation and some other country importation, you'll be notified. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taobao on Pinduoduo or Idofish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.